Okay, got another good one. Here at Seasons 52. Toilet keeps backing up. Wonder why. Let's see. Is it possibly because all of these roots, look at it, it's like a cake. A lovely root cake. And it's growing all the way down into here, into the flange, as like one solid piece. And if we grab it, if we grab our cake, which there's the big root, I'm gonna have to cut it with our hacksaw blade to be able to pull out this lovely root. Oh man, this is the stuff we get into, man. So that's the flange, grows into the ground, causes multiple stoppages, and you can see flange is in decent enough shape. It's not broken where the bolts go in, and we can remove all these roots. Okay, good deal.